This little project I've been playing with here, just something to do. It's a boat, kind of, little boat, 8 foot long, about 2 foot wide, and I made a little set of wheels. They just strap on with a strap like that. Once you get it in the water, you let those go, and those two clamps right there are for this, like that. As you can see, that's a homemade prop. It's just a piece of pipe is all it is. It's hard to see in the sun, but piece of pipe. Oops. Piece of pipe that I cut in half and kind of shaped a little bit. Not perfect, but I think it'll work. I put a little fin on it. It's just a weed eater, so we'll find out how good this is going to work. I'm going to take it and put it in the lake and make sure it floats first, and I'm going to try to put the engine on it. I'll get back with you in a minute. Okay, here's test number 1. Hopefully I won't drown. That water is cold, very cold.
Yeah.
Still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming.
Kind of ripped my...
You want me to stop?
No,
Stop filming?
no. Kind of ripped my cushion. I think it kind of works. See, I could just about go faster paddling. Let's try it this way. You're trolling, though. Okay. Semi-successful test.
Remember, turn it backwards.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming.